Hello.
Hello. You look lovely. Hello. Oh wow. That's amazing. What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel for another day in Bali. Today we are in North Bali, and I just wanted to start this video by showing you guys the incredible kindness and welcoming spirit of the Balinese people. Hello.
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, morning.
Morning. Oh wow. Hi. Okay, well that seems like a really good place to start the vlog. Welcome back to my channel, guys, for another vlog here in Bali. Today we're heading off to North Bali because we want to go to Aling Aling Waterfall, and on our way there we just saw this ceremony happening. Our driver says it's a cremation ceremony, so it's what the Balinese people do when somebody dies. It felt a bit awkward to film it, but he assured us it was like it's perfectly fine. In fact, he told us to come out and take photos and pictures, and I just thought it was really incredible. The people were so lovely, like they were all stopping and waving at us saying welcome to Bali, blowing kisses. It was so incredible. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought you'd enjoy seeing that as well. But now we're going to Aling Aling Waterfall. So they actually have 3 packages. First one is about 1 to 2 hours, and it's a short trek. And then there's a medium. Oh, cool! There's a medium package which is 3 to 4 hours. That's one we've selected. But there's also a longer trek which is, I think, 5 to 6 hours. That was a bit too long for us. So we've just started our medium trek, and that includes about a 20 to 30 minute walk towards either the Blue Lagoon or the rice terraces first. I'm not sure, but it's quite hard because it's really hot, so we'll see. But the views make up. Ooh. Ooh. I see it now. Oh Lord, I almost fell. No, I was saying the views make up for the walk because this is really pretty. Guys, this is our guide, Tui. Hi, Tui. He's gonna keep us safe on our trek. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I forgot your name now.
Gede.
Gede. Okay, our second guide, Gede. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go on and on and on about how beautiful this place is because it's truly incredible. Wow, it was worth the 2-hour drive. Tui, you're 21? Yeah. What? Well, I feel old.
More than 21.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, because we eat rice every day. The body is too small.
Yeah. In total, we spent about 30 to 40 minutes trekking through this forest to get to the Blue Lagoon. Now, it was a very hot day, but honestly, you cannot even complain when you have such an incredible scenery and you're surrounded by little streams and huge waterfalls. I mean, the views were just incredible and they were worth every drop of sweat. Oh my god.
Oh, wait, how did you do that?
Wow. Alright, we just spent some time taking some photos there because they're so pretty. Sorry? Yeah. Oh no, I'll let you lead. I don't know where we're going. No, so we took some time taking some photos by this waterfall. It's incredibly beautiful. Now we are finally making our way to the Blue Lagoon. Woo! It is hot, and they did give us a heads up that it's quite a trek. Guys, it's so steep. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's slippery as well. Guys, if it's your first time coming to Aling Aling Waterfall, I highly recommend getting a guide to come with you. I mean, our guides were awesome. They helped us so much during the trek. They helped us swim through strong currents and with the dives that you'll see later on in the video. And like along the way, they would point out and teach us new things that we generally wouldn't have known or even thought to question had we not come with guides. So yeah, highly recommend getting a guide. Okay, we finally made it to the Blue Lagoon. I am dripping in sweat. Guys, this is not easy, okay? Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That's the Blue Lagoon, and it's not busy at all. It's currently 11, a.m. and they said it starts to get busy around 12, which kind of makes sense. Wow. Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, we have snow. Tui keeps laughing at us every time we say he keeps laughing at us every time we say it's cold, because he's like, but you come from snow. Woo! It ain't no lie, it's cold. Oh shit, good. Ooh, cause your bum looks so good, yo. No, like for real, it looks so damn good. Okay, so Kuda's perfect pitch aside, on entry, this water was really cold. So I did what I always do, a quick plunge and get it over and done with. And then guys, it didn't take long before I decided I wanted to go on the rope swing. I mean, I'd never done it before, but it looked really fun, so why not? Guys, that was amazing. Like, I'm so glad I did it. First of all, the guy did warn me that swimming was going to be really hard because of the current. He wasn't kidding. I got to a point there where I was moving, like I was swimming, but I wasn't moving. Like, I was just being pushed back. But luckily, one of the guys jumped in and he helped me do the climbing. I would have never been able to do it by myself. So thank God. And then I did the swing. Oh, that was so fun. And actually, there's another pool just behind this little ridge here. Yeah, there's another swimming area there. It's so cool. Oh yay! Kuda and Wadzi are going. Guys, they both did it. Kids did it twice now, and Wadzi just did it. Give her a thumbs up because she was really nervous, but she powered through. Definitely deserves a thumbs up for that. Wadzi, you did it! Alright guys, so we just finished playing in the lagoon. That was so much fun. Like, it's honestly one of the most beautiful things I've personally ever seen. And we did the rope swing, which was so fun. It was scary at first, but it was actually really fun, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm proud of all of us for doing it. It was great. Yeah, Wadzi did it. Now we're back on our trek because we're going to one of the waterfalls. I think here we have cliff jumping. Oh yeah, and there's sliding, isn't there? I've never slid on a waterfall before, so that's gonna be new, which is exciting. Oh my gosh, guys, the views everywhere. And I don't have enough battery, so I can't show you guys everything, but I really recommend you come here because I think you need to see it for yourself. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at that. What? Waterfall.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Another waterfall.
Oh, this is slippery. Oh, this is the slide. 12 meters. 12 meters. Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, make a swing!
Woo! Oh, snap! What do y'all think?
I don't know if I can do
Look
that.
here. Really beautiful.
We can. We can. Let's do
How
it.
do you come out?
Yeah, where do you come out?
Your right side, you can swim there. You see the stairs, you can do there.
So you slide in, swim to the stairs. Are you doing it?
No, we're going down. So I'll take you to this.
Alright. I'm very, very scared. Very
What's
scared.
easier? Is it that one or the jump? What's easier?
The slide.
Because I think the slide is easier. You don't actually have to do anything. they will push you.
I like this camera, man.
First of all, shout out to my guide who offered to film from the other side. Secondly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was so nervous to do this slide, mainly because I was really scared of hitting my head on the rocks or something and like causing serious injury. But like the G that I am, I put my fears to the side and I went down.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What was this?
Oh my gosh, guys, okay, so I did the slide. I literally did this. No, what slide? No. I slid down the waterfall. The one behind me, I can't do. I'm so excited. I was really nervous. But I did it. I think mostly I was nervous about hitting my head against the wall. But he told me it's never happened before, but I didn't want to be the first one, you know what I mean? But I conquered my fears and I did it. She didn't. She bailed.
What?
That one there, she bailed. They're both chicken out. But I did it. I'm so proud of myself.
We left
And now we're getting ready to do the jump. Yeah, I think we're starting with the 2 meter, then we're doing the 5 meter. I'm not sure that we'll do the 15 meter. I'm not sure. Ah! Let me show you guys. Let me show you. There. That's literally it. And then you come down there, then you gotta swim all the way back out. I'm proud of myself, man. Thumbs up for Sifiso.
Are you gonna
Alright, so this is the 2. Well, where is it? This looks scarier. Huh? Where's Wadzi? Firstly, I just want to quickly apologize for the background noise. We were near waterfalls, so it was unavoidable, but I hope you guys enjoy the sounds of nature. Now, let's bitch about my friends. This one here is Kudzai. She got up to this 2 meter jump, all cocky, talking about it's not that bad. Now, answer me this, Kudzai. Why'd you spend 20 minutes on this 2 meter ledge? And don't even get me started on Wadzi. I spared y'all from watching the swimming refresher lesson we had to give the heifer before she would go on the rope swing. Anyway, this is a long-winded way of saying the rest of this footage, i.e. half of the video, is based on our attempts to cliff jump. Oh Lord! By the way, guys, make sure you bring water shoes like this because Wadzi's been having a hard time without hers. Woo! Just like that!
Oh my god!
Well done, Wads! Alright, now you can do it.
How did you do it?
Don't think about it, just jump.
I can't do it! I can't do it!
Do you want me to go? Guys, this is just evidence that Kudzai did in fact end up jumping. She took forever, but I ended up switching off my camera to save battery, but she did do it and we're proud. Thumbs up again.
You know when they say fight or flight?
Yeah?
I couldn't! I was frozen! I was stuck! I couldn't jump! I couldn't do it!
It was so funny because Timmy was like 1 million years later.
And I don't understand, like, I wasn't scared of the water.
Yeah.
I just, my fish would not move.
Meanwhile, Wadzi just went in.
Let's go.
Guys, 2 is going to jump for us. We're ready. The 15-meter jump. Obviously, none of us are doing it. No. No! Oh my gosh.
Zero hesitation. I would love to do that, but
saying. The highest I've ever done is 6 meters. That's more than double. And with 6 meters, I was shaking. I can't believe it.
I was shaking.
I really can't believe it. We've had the best day. Like, it's been the best day ever. It's amazing. I'm so proud of myself.
Oh, wow.
So I stand corrected. That was actually the 10-meter jump. We're currently standing at the 15-meter jump, and it should be illegal. They were saying only 20% of people actually make the jump. I wonder how many survive.
20%.
Let me show you guys.
All of them.
So that was the 10-meter that we thought was 15, but no. This is the 15-meter jump. I don't think you guys can quite get it. Let me show you from here. That's the 15-meter jump all the way down there. I repeat, that is the 15-meter jump all the way down there. Insane. I think it should be you.
Oh, I don't think it's
Remember, we don't have battery. We don't have battery.
Stop filming. Stop filming.
I want to film.
Okay, if you're gonna film,
But that was cheap.
move out slightly.
Okay, so now it's time for the 5-meter jump, and I was scared. Ain't no point lying to you, I was scared. If I'm going to call out my friends, then I'm going to put myself on blast too. Guys, I was scared as heck.
You not hit her up.
Mama ain't raised no punk.
Mama didn't raise no pump. Are you coming?
Oh my god. Alright, I'm not gonna think about it.
Stop.
Alright, stop. Oh wait, stop. My legs are shaking now. I've done higher than this.
Be careful.
Be careful. Okay, I've done higher than this. Why is it scaring me? Alright, you've done higher. Alright. I'm going.
I'm shaking so much. I'm filming.
Somebody
I ended it.
Okay, on 3, 2, 1.
Oh fuck, I'm scared. Sorry, I'm scared.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
You can do it. You can do it. You did it. You can do it. I want it. I want it. Okay, I'll go.
But let me tell you guys this. We were on this platform for the best part of an hour. And 5 to 10 minutes of that hour we spent addressing my nerves. And the rest of that hour, well, I'm not going to name any names.
Yeah. Okay. We're stopping traffic. Okay, stop. I'm so scared. I don't know why. I know. I'm so scared. Give me some words of encouragement. What? You never tried? What was it? Why am I so scared? Why am I so scared? Shall I go? You go. You go. Then I'll go after you. Okay. I'm so scared. Yeah. I know you find it funny. Oh my god. Yeah? It's only what? Oh my god, it's gonna kill me. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Literally 30 minutes later. Literally 30 minutes later, they're still here.
I will regret not doing that.
Did you guys see me do it? Did you see me do it? I'm so proud of myself. It was scary as hell, but I did it. but 30 minutes later, look, I jumped, I waited for them, I came all the way around, and they're still here. Guys, look, he's tired, he wants to sleep. He's cold in the water. Our drivers wants to go home and eat.
I think I'm gonna go. You're gonna go? Yeah, I'm gonna. No, what? Oh, you don't want.
You're not jumping. Last chance was Sarisa Pambere Ungwapinda Mvura. You see, don't do what Kuza is doing. Don't look down.
No,
you know what's down. Pane Mvura. You were Sarisa Pambere Ongomanya. I did it. Literally.
Hey,
What? But it should help you. I'm just like you. Look ahead. Like this was Pambere Ongomanya Pambere. Naturally, you will come down.
Yeah.
But you're not thinking about it, so your brain doesn't stop you. Just go. Your mama didn't raise no punk. Go.
I want to do it. I'm scared.
You're making Wadzi scared. Wadzi, go.
What do you go? I'm gonna do. No, I am already scared.
Okay. No, it's fine. If you guys don't want to do it, it's fine.
I want to do it.
Is dead? Yeah. It's fine. Thank you.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
He is ready.
Are you ready? I really want to do it.
Do it.
I want to do it.
Do it. You have to fight it. It's mind over matter. Fight it.
I'm fucking coming. Okay.
Wow! She did it! Yes! She did it! She did it!
I didn't see it.
Woo!
Oh my god.
She did it!
Oh my god.
She said I'm coming. Did you guys see that?
Oh my god.
She said I'm coming. I'm fucking coming. And she went! Yeah! Look at her laughing and smiling.
Fucking fuck.
You're now pug.
I'm not fucking.
Woo!
Why? So that he can be there to catch me.
Well done!
Oh my god. Now I have to do it tonight.
Can you wait for her?
I did it. I did it. Alright.
Right, now you gotta do it.
I do.
Yes.
Wait, stop filming.
Alright.
Save back. Just run. You know, just run.
She literally said I'm coming and she went.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Woo!
Okay. Right. Please, can you calm me down?
Alright.
I'm gonna do it.
You ready?
Do it.
Alright.
Wait, I'm gonna say I'm ready.
Alright.
I'm gonna do it.
Alright.
Okay. Alright. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, run! Yeah! Yes! Yeah! How does it feel? Well done! Oh my gosh. It literally took them 40 minutes, guys. I'm not exaggerating. 40 minutes. You're tired now, yes? From yeah. Guys, 40 minutes they were still there. I can't believe it.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm watching this, right? And I am so happy. Like, I'm so proud and I'm so happy. I've rewatched this like 10 times and each time I'm just so proud. Oh my gosh, it was a sight to behold. No, but in all seriousness, I'm so proud of them. I'm proud of all of us. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a massive thumbs up because, whoo, honey, we went through it in a really good way, I encourage everybody to go to Aling Aling Waterfall. It was just the best day ever. And I would argue it was actually my favorite day of the whole trip. Anyway, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon for the next video. Bye.